The magic circle is used when working in rounds, and it's really the foundation of the circle from which you will go on working in spirals. So I will now go ahead and show you how to make a magic circle, but again, this is just my favorite technique and there are several others. So I start by wrapping the yarn in this way around my fingers, and then I insert the hook with the hook facing down. I grab the yarn, I pull, then I turn the hook facing up, so I create this sort of loop. I grab the yarn again and I'm now going to pass it through the loop on my hook, so in this way. And that's it. I can tighten up a little bit and I've created my magic ring. So as you see, this part here allows me to tighten up the ring. So basically what I will do now is I will crochet my single crochets in the ring and then I will tighten up to start the first round.